Hi everyone, Flavia here and welcome to the final video of Spellbinders 2024 Crafty Advent Calendar series. Since this is December 24th, today I will be showing you the last surprise behind door 24 and creating a note card with today's surprise. If you have been watching these series videos, know that it means a lot and I am very grateful for the time that you choose to spend with me. As we can see here, today we have another die set which is very different from everything that I have, so I am very happy about it. With this set, we get metal plates that we can use to cut out pieces to make briefcases. Most of my note cards are very girly and I think that today's set will be a great opportunity for me to make a more basic or even more masculine type of note card. Off screen, I cut out all of the needed pieces as usual from cardstock scraps since these are very small plates, and I will begin by assembling the die cut pieces using the Bearly Art glue. I cut out the two largest pieces from two different shades of cardstock, and for the buckles I used Spellbinders Mirror Gold cardstock to resemble a piece of metal. Then I used a grey colored cardstock for the tags, and I cut out the smaller airplanes and patches from yellow, green and blue cardstock. For now, I will only assemble 3 briefcases that I will later glue to the front of an A2 size note card. Moving on, here we have a piece of cardstock that I placed on top of my waffle flower stick mat so I can add some color to this panel using a blending brush and Concord N9 ink pad in the color Dove. Once I am done with this step, I will go ahead and trim off this panel to 5.5 by 4.25 inches. Before I glue this panel to the front of my note card, I will place it inside my Misty stamping tool so I can stamp a sentiment with black ink. I wasn't sure what I wanted for the sentiment, but I went over my stash and ended up finding this old stamp set with a few great options such as Happy Travels and Enjoy the New Journey. Inside my Misty stamping tool, I have not only the panel, but I also have temporarily placed the die cut briefcases so I can figure out the best placement for my clear stamp. Once I know it, I will remove the 3 die cut briefcases and close my Misty stamping tool door to pick up the clear stamp so I can begin stamping the sentiment. I did use the Bearly Art glue to glue these 2 briefcases to the front of my note card, and now I will use foam adhesive in the back of this third one so it has a little bit of dimension. And here is a closer look at the final note card with the matching brown envelope. I decided to also add a few small die-cut airplanes to the front of my note card just for fun, and I really like how it turned out. I definitely enjoyed creating with today's set, and I think it made me feel more inspired to make note cards with different color combos than what I am used to. So this is all that I have for today, and I thank you for watching this video until the end. If you've missed any of the previous videos for this series, know that I have created a playlist and you can find the link in the description box down below. For a visual supply list of all products used as well as pictures of all of the note cards created with the Spellbinders 2024 Crafty Advent Calendar, make sure to visit my blog. I hope you have a wonderful day, take care and happy holidays!